Hey guys, I'm Ganesh and you're watching Gadget. In this episode, we are gonna give you a quick overview of Redmi 5. So this is Redmi 5 and it has a 5.7-inch display with 282 ppi, which gives a really good HD plus look. It is powered by 1.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 450 and is available in 2GB RAM. It has 16GB internal storage. It has a dual SIM hybrid micro SD slot. It has a 12MP primary camera and 5MP front-facing camera. It has a battery backup of 3300 mAh, which is less than that of Redmi 4, but it should do the trick. The reduced bezels have given a fresh look to it, and the keys are now on screen instead of being capacitive. The back is made of metal and the fingerprint scanner is positioned in a good place. The Redmi 5 has an aspect ratio of 18:9, which gives a good look, but the issue with it is that even with my long hands I cannot reach to the top. That is, when I want to swipe down from the notifications, it's pretty hard to reach, and that is an issue. That is, the form factor is not so good compared to the Redmi 4. Now, if you see the Redmi 4, Redmi 5, the MI A1 and the Redmi Note 4, you can see this size comparisons between these. So at this price, I would say you can go for it and you should buy the Redmi 5 for this price. It is the cheapest phone with 18:9 aspect ratio. So I hope that you have liked this video. If you have, please leave a like and also subscribe to Gadget for more such videos. So until next time, bye bye.